Sometimes we are scrolling on TikTok, watching videos as we normally do, and then we suddenly found a video that captures our eyes and we wanted to save it for whatever reason we have.
Yeah, boy.
But unfortunately, that video has no save button and the only choice we have is to record the screen. So in this video, I will show you how to save TikTok videos when it is not available to download or it has no Save Video button just like this one. We can also download all videos without a watermark, so stick around and keep watching. On our mobile device, open the TikTok app. So here's a random video and let's check this one if we can save this. As you can see, it has a save button, and if we save this as we normally do, it has a watermark. Let's look for a video that has no Save Video button. Now we found this video without the Save Video button. But don't worry, I got you. Tap this share icon and tap this copy link. After that, open the Chrome browser and type ttdownloader.com. On this website, we will paste the link that we copied right here. Tap Get Video. After that, we will see the download links available. We have options here like the No Watermark with Watermark Download and Audio Only. Let's choose No Watermark. A new tab will open and it will show us the video we want to download. Tap this three-dot icon here and tap Download. It will start downloading. Now it is done. Let's check it out. As you can see, it has no watermark. Let's compare this to the first video that we downloaded before. We can see watermarks here, but if you want to remove the watermark on this video, you just have to do the process on this one. So that's it, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss out my tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching.